Today we're going to talk about the neutralization and salts. Neutralization is a reaction between an acid and a base. The pH of an acid and the base become closer to 7 in an attempt to neutralize them. Any neutralization reaction produces the exact same two products, a salt and water. And a salt is any ionic compound, and that ionic compound is just produced from an acid and a base. The general reaction is an acid plus base produce salt plus water. So we're going to do a couple of examples. We'll need your periodic table. So the first example is HBr plus CaOH2. Well, the first product that you need to know is that it always creates water. So the easiest one to write is that it will create water. How it gets water is it's combining the OH from the base and the H from the water to actually make HOH, which is the same thing as H2O. Then we're going to be combining the other stuff. So we've got the Ca and the Br. So we're going to add those together. And then when you do have the Ca and the Br, you do also need to worry about charges. So we'll look at the periodic table. Here's Ca, that's a +2. Here's Br, that's a -1. So Ca was a +2, Br was a -1, so you cross your charges over to get CaBr. Then you'll want to balance your reaction, but before you can balance, you'll probably want to erase all your notes that you did. So you'll want to balance the equation. So I would balance hydrogens last. So let's balance the Br. We've got 1 on the left and 2 on the right, so we're going to put a 2 in front of the left. Calcium, Ca, you've got 1 on the left and 1 on the right, so that's good. Oxygens, you've got 2 on the left, and you only have 1 on the right, so we're going to put a 2 in front of there. Now we need to check our hydrogens. We've got 2 hydrogens here, plus 2 hydrogens there, so that's 4 on the left, and 2 times 2 is 4 hydrogens on the right. You should pause and try to do the next one on your own. Okay, so once again, the easiest one to write is H2O. Then the K and the SO4 are going to combine. So you are going to have K and SO4. If you look at your periodic table, K is a +1. If you look on the back of your periodic table, the SO4 is a -2. When you cross them, you'll get K2SO4. Once again, you probably want to erase before you balance. So, once again, I would do hydrogens last. Our SO4 does stay together, so you've got 1 SO4 on the left and 1 SO4 on the right. So that's balanced. You've got 1 K on the left and 2 on the right, so we need to put a 2 in front of here. Now our oxygens, we've got 2 oxygens on the left, 2 oxygens here, and only 1 on the right, so we'll put a 2 in front. We've now got 4 hydrogens on the right, and we've got 2 hydrogens plus 2 hydrogens, which is 4 hydrogens. That is it for today's notes.